Hello everyone, I am Ajit Misra and welcome you in your own channel in M Education Ajit Misra. In this video, we will discuss most 50 important MCQ of chemistry related to periodic table. I will complete this video in part by part. This video is very important for any competition examination as well as academic point of view. So if it is helpful for you, then like and share the video and subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. Option A. Question number 1. Chemist who gives the law of Octavius. Choose the correct answer. Name the chemist who gives the law of Octavius. Option A. Daubner. Option B. Newland. Option C. Mendeleev. Or option D. Henry Moseley. Give the answer. The answer will be option B. Newland. The answer will be option B. Newland. Next question. Chemist who state the triad law. Name the chemist who state the triad law. Option A. Moseley. Option B. Mendeleev. Option C. Daubner. Option D. Newland. Give the answer. Choose the right answer. The answer will be option C. Daubner. In triad, the atomic weight of the middle element was the approximate arithmetic mean of the other two elements. Next question. Chemist who gave the modern periodic table. In the given option, choose the name of the chemist who gave the modern periodic table. Option A. Henry Moseley. Option B. Mendeleev. Option C. Newland. Or option D. Daubner. Give the answer. The answer will be option A. Henry Moseley. The modern periodic table was given by the Henry Moseley. Henry Moseley in 1913 classified the element on the basis of increasing order of their atomic mass. In the modern periodic table, there is 18 vertical column is called group and there is 17 horizontal row is called period. Next question. What was the similarity in Daubner triad, Newland Octavius and Mendeleev periodic table? What is the similarity? Option A. They all were the Russian chemist. Option B. Their rule were based on atomic number. Option C. Their rule were based on atomic masses. Or option D. Their rule were based on neutron number. Choose the correct answer. Which will be the correct answer? The answer will be option C. The answer will be option C. Their rule were based on atomic masses. Next question. Name the chemist who introduced the long form of modern periodic table. Name the chemist who introduced the long form of modern periodic table. Option A. Newland. Option B. Niels Bohr. Option C. Henry Moseley. Or option D. Daubner. Choose the right answer. Which will be the correct? The answer will be option B. Niels Bohr. Next question. Mendeleev periodic table could not explain. In the given option, which could not be explained by the Mendeleev periodic table? Option A. Atomic masses. Option B. Group of periodic table. Option C. Period of the periodic table. Or option D. Earth, metal and isotope. Which will be the correct answer? Give the answer. The answer will be option D. Rare earth metal and isotope. Mendeleev arranged the element on the basis of increasing order of their atomic weight. The modern periodic table was arranged on the basis of atomic number, but the Mendeleev periodic table was arranged on the basis of atomic mass. Mendeleev periodic table has 8 vertical column called group and 7 horizontal column row is called period. But in the modern periodic table there are 18 vertical column is called group and there are 7 horizontal row is called period. Next question, question number 7. Periodic table is option A. Tabular arrangement of element in group and period. Option B. Only vertical column. Option C. Arrangement of element according to their atomic masses. Or option D. None of these. What is the periodic table? The answer will be option A. The answer will be option A. Tabular arrangement of element in group and column, group and period. Next question. Number of period and group in the modern period table. In the modern period table, how many period and how many group there are? In option A 7, 18, option B 8, 18, C 10, 20, or option D 18, 50. What will be the correct answer? Choose the correct answer. The answer will be option A 7 and 18. In the modern period table, there are 7 period and 18 group. Next question. Group in the period table is called option A vertical column, option B horizontal row, option C diagonally line in periodic table, and option D none of these. Group in the periodic table is the vertical column. Next question. Period in the modern periodic table is option A vertical column, option B horizontal row, option C diagonal element in periodic table, and option D none of these. Choose the correct answer. The period is the horizontal row in the periodic table. In the modern periodic table, the horizontal row is called period. Next question, question number 11. Alkali metal lies in option A group 1, option B group 2, option C group 18, and group D group 13. Alkali metal. Give the answer. The answer will be option A. Group one element is called alkali metal. They form strong alkalis with water. If we take some example of alkali metal that lie in group 1, they are lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, etc. are the example of alkali metal. Next question. Element lies in group 2 are, in the given option, which element lie in group 2? Option A alkaline earth metal, B halogen, option C alkali metal, option D inert gas. Group 2 element. The group 2 element are called alkaline earth metal. It means the answer will be option A. Alkaline earth metal also form the alkalis but weaker as compared to group 1 element. If we take some example of alkaline metal, then they are barium, magnesium, calcium, etc. are the alkaline earth metal. Next question, question number 13. Which of them form strong alkalis with water? In the given element, in the given group, which group form strongest alkalis with water? Option A group 1 element, option B group 2 element, option C group 3 element, or option D inert gas. Give the answer. This is very easy question. Give the answer. Which of them form the strongest alkalis with water? The answer will be option A group 1 element. Next question. What is transition element? Option A element which have their 2 outermost cell incomplete, B element which have their 3 outermost cell incomplete, option C element which have outermost cell incomplete, or option D element which outermost cell are complete. Give the right answer. Choose the correct one. Which is the transition element? What is the transition element? The answer will be option A. Transition element are the element which have 2 outermost cell are incomplete, and inner transition element are the element which 3 outermost cell are incomplete. Next question. What are the inner transition element? In the given option, which are the inner transition element? Option A noble gas, option B halogen, option C lanthanide and actinide, and option D none of these. Give the answer. Choose the correct answer. Which are the inner transition element? I hope you choose the correct answer. The answer will be option C lanthanides and actinide series. Lanthanide and actinide series collectively known as inner transition element. Such element has 3 outermost cell are incomplete. Next question. Which one element is not a typical element? Which one element is not a typical element? Option A sodium, option B calcium, option C magnesium, or option D aluminium. Which one element is not typical element? Give the right answer. The answer will be sodium, magnesium, aluminium are the typical element, but calcium is not the typical element. So the option will be option B. Next question. What does halogen means? What does halogen means? Option A acid former, B base former, C salt former, or option D methane former. What does halogen means? Choose the right answer. What does halogen mean? Halogen means salt former, the element which form salt. Halogen are the element that lies in the group 17. If we talk about group 17 element, example of the group 17 element, then they are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, etc. are the halogen element. If we talk about the property of the halogen element, then they are the color nonmetal. Halogen element are the color nonmetal. Their melting point and boiling point is increased moving down the group, and they are good oxidizing agent because they are nonmetal. Next question, question number 18. Which is true about the cell according to the modern periodic table? Which is true about the cell according to the modern periodic table? Option A, number of cell increase down the group. Option B, number of cell decrease down the group. Option C, number of cell increase moving across the period left to right. And option D, number of cell not affected moving down the group. Which is true about cell according to the modern periodic table? Number of cell increase down the group. This is the correct. When we move down the group, then number of cell is increased. So the answer will be option A. Cell is a, if we talk about the cell, definition of cell, then cell is a certain definite circular path. Cell is a definite circular path around which the electron is revolve. Next question. Which is true about the balancing? Which is true about balancing? Option A, balancing increase moving down the particular group. Option B, balancing remain same moving down the particular group. Option C, balance remain constant moving across the particular period. And option D, balance is not affected in modern periodic table. Which is true about the balance electron balancing according to modern periodic table? Balancing increase moving down the group? No. When you move down the group, the number of cell increase but the balance remains constant. Balance remains same moving down the group. Yes, this one is right. When we move down the group, then the number of cell increase but the balance electron is remains same. So the answer will be option B. Next question. Periodicity is observed due to? Periodicity in the given option, periodicity is observed due to the similar number of valence electron. Option B, atomic number. C, electronic configuration, or option D, none of these. Choose the right answer. Periodicity is observed due to the electronic configuration. So the answer will be option C. So the correct option will be option C. Next question. Which group of element have the valency other than 1? In the given option, which group of element have the valency other than 1? Group 17, option B group 1, option C group 18, or option D none of these. Choose the correct answer. The group 17 and group 18. In group 17, there are the 1 electron short to complete its octet, and group 1 element has 1 electron in its outermost shell. So group 17 and group 1 both has the valency 1, but group 18 have different valence. Next question. Which one have different valence? Which one? In the given option, which one have the different valence? Option A, sodium. B, magnesium. Option C, lithium. And option D, potassium. Which one have the different valence? Choose the correct answer. Sodium, lithium and potassium both have the valency 1. So the correct option will be option B, magnesium, because the magnesium has valency 2. Next question, in the following element, which element has different valency? In the following element, which element has a different valency? Option A, magnesium, B, calcium, B, beryllium, D, potassium. Choose the correct answer. Magnesium, calcium and beryllium all have the valency 2. So the different valency has potassium, because potassium has valency 1. So the correct answer will be option D. Next question, valency depend on option A, number of valence electron in an atom, option B, atomic mass, option C, its nature, option D, none of these. Valency depend on. Choose the right answer. Valency depend on the number of valence electron in an atom. The answer will be option A. Next question, which is not a representative element? In the given element, which are not the representative element? Option A, sodium, B, magnesium, C, chlorine, and option D, zinc, which is not a representative element. The answer will be option D. The answer will be option D. Representative element are the element that lie in group 1, 2, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. Sodium, magnesium, in the given option, sodium, magnesium and chlorine are the representative element, but zinc are not the representative element. Next question, which is not a transition element? In the given option, which is not a transition element? Iron, cobalt, aluminium and copper, which is not the transition element. Choose the correct answer. Which is not a transition element? The answer will be option C, aluminium. Aluminium is not a transition element. Transition element lie in group 3 to 12. If we take the example of transition element, then they are scandium, titanium, vanadium, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc are the example of transition element. Next question, which element lies extreme right of the periodic table? Which element lies extreme right of the periodic table? Option A, noble gas, B, halogen, C, alkali metal, option D, alkaline earth metal. Which element lie in extreme right? Choose the correct answer. In the extreme right of periodic table, noble gases lie. So the answer will be A, noble gas. Noble gas lies in the group 18. So it is lie in extreme right of the periodic table. Next question, which element lies extreme left of the periodic table? Option A, noble gas, option B, alkaline earth metal, C, alkali metal, या D, halogen element. Extreme left. In the periodic table, group 1 element lies in the extreme left. So choose the correct answer. The answer will be alkali earth metal. Alkali earth metal lies in extreme left of the periodic table. Next question, which is not a halogen group element? In the given option, which is not group of halogen group element? Option A, fluorine, B, chlorine, C, bromine, or option D, boron, which is not a halogen group element. Give the answer. The answer will be option B, boron. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, etc. are the example of the group halogen group element. Next question, which is not a lanthanide series element? In the given option, which is not a lanthanide series element? Option A, lanthanum, B, uranium, C, cerium, D, europium, which is not a lanthanide series element. Give the answer. The answer will be, choose the correct answer. The answer will be option B, uranium, because uranium is a actinide series element. Next question, which element is not a actinide series element? In the given option, which is not a actinide series element? Option A, thulium, B, thorium, C, actinium, D, uranium. Which element is not a actinide series element in the given option? Choose the correct answer. The answer will be option A, thulium. Thorium, actinium and uranium are the actinide series element, but the thulium is lanthanide series element. Next question, which element will show chemical reaction different to the calcium? Which element will show the chemical reaction different to the calcium? A. Sodium. B. Magnesium. C. Beryllium, and D. Barium. Choose the correct answer. The answer will be option A. Sodium. Sodium will have the different chemical reaction, because the valence electron in the calcium is 1, but the magnesium, beryllium and barium has the valence electron 2. Magnesium, beryllium and barium are the alkaline earth metal, but sodium is a alkalis metal. Next question. Which is not a group of metal in the first 20 element in the periodic table? Which is not a group of metal in the first 20 element in the periodic table? 20 is missing here. Which is not a group of metal in the first 20 element in the periodic table? Option A, lithium, beryllium. B, sodium, magnesium. C, aluminum, potassium, calcium. D, boron and sulfur. Choose the right answer. The answer will be option D, boron and sulfur. Next question. Which is the group of metalloid in the first 20 element in the periodic table? Which is the group of metalloid? Option A, lithium, aluminum. B, boron, silicon. C, carbon, nitrogen. D, fluorine, chlorine. Choose the correct answer. Which is the group of metalloid in the first 20 element in periodic table? The answer will be option B, boron and silicon. Boron and silicon are the metalloid that lie in the first 20 element in the periodic table. Next question. Which is the group of non-metal in the first 20 element in the periodic table? Which is the group of non-metal? Lithium, beryllium, silicon, calcium, phosphorus and fluorine, boron and potassium. Choose the correct answer. The answer will be option C, phosphorus and fluorine. Option C. The number of the non-metal which lie in the first 20 element of the periodic table are carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, etc. The element are the non-metal that lie in the first 20 element in the periodic table. Next question. An element of electron number is 16. It will be metal, metalloid, noble gas. D, non-metal. An element of electron 16. It will be an element which atomic electron number is 16. It means the atomic number will be 16. Therefore, in the in K group, K cell, there will be 2 electron, L 8 and M 6. It means there will be 6 electron in the outermost cell. It means they will be non-metal. The answer will be option D. Next question. An element has the 2 electron in its n cell. Its atomic number is, the number of electron in n cell is 2. It means 2 plus 8 plus 8 plus 2. It means the atomic number will be 20. The answer will be option D. Next question. Which one is the most important periodic property? Which one is not the important periodic property? Option A, atomic mass. B, atomic size. C, electron affinity. Or option D, ionization. Choose the correct option. Which is not an important periodic property? The answer will be option A, atomic mass. If we talk, the important property of periodicity are atomic size, metallic characteristic, non-metallic characteristic, ionization, electron affinity and electronegativity. Next question. What is the unit of atomic size? Option A, meter. Option B, voltmeter. Option C, angstrom. Or option D, ampere. Which is the unit of atomic size? Choose the correct answer. The answer will be option C, angstrom. Angstrom is the unit of atomic size. 1 angstrom is equal to 10 power minus 10 meter. Factor on which the atomic size does not depend. The factor on which the atomic size does not depend. Option A, number of cell. B, nuclear charge. C, atomic masses. And option D, none of these. Factor on which the atomic size does not depend. The answer will be option C, atomic masses. Atomic charge, the atomic size increase due to the increase of cell. When the number of cell is increased, then the atomic size increase, and when the nuclear charge increase, then atomic size decrease. But the atomic mass does not affect the atomic size. Next question, question number 41. Which is not true? In the given option, which is not true? Atomic size increase moving down the group. Option B, atomic size decrease moving left to right. Option C, increase in nuclear charge decrease the size of an atom. Choose the correct answer. And option D, all are true. Which is not true? Which is not true? Atomic, then the answer will be option D. The answer D, all are true. Because atomic size increase moving down the group, when move down the group, then the number of cell increase, hence the atomic size increase. When move across the period left to right, then the nuclear charge increase, so the atomic size decrease. And when the nuclear charge is decrease, when the nuclear charge decrease, the size increase the nuclear charge. When the nuclear charge increase, then size of the atom is decrease. Next question. Which one will be the largest atomic size? Option A, calcium, B, iron, C, copper, and D, zinc. Choose the correct answer. The answer will be option A, calcium. On moving, calcium, copper, which will be the largest atomic size? On moving across the period, the nuclear charge is increases. On moving across the period, the nuclear charge is decreased, hence the atomic size decrease. So the answer will be option A, calcium. Next question. Which one has the largest atomic size? Option A, lithium. Option B, sodium. Option C, potassium. Or option D, calcium. Which one has the largest atomic size? Choose the correct answer. The answer will be option C. The atomic size, the potassium will have the largest atomic size. Next question, question number 44. Which one will be the largest atomic size? Cation, B, anion, C, parent atom, and option D will have the same size. Which one will have the largest size? The answer will be anion. In anion, the number of electron is large, hence the nuclear pull is less, hence the atomic size increase large in the anion. Next question. Element which do not have the neutron. In the given question, which element do not have neutron? Option A, hydrogen, B, argon, C, carbon, and option D, uranium. Do not have neutron. The answer will be option A, hydrogen. Hydrogen do not have neutron. Next question. On moving across the period, metallic characteristic of element. On moving across the period, the atomic size decrease, hence the metallic properties. Atomic size is decreased and the metallic property is decreased. So then the answer will be option B. On moving across the period, the metallic properties decrease. So the answer will be option B. Next question. On moving down the group, non-metallic property. On moving down, option A, increase. Option B, remain same. Option D, C, decrease. And option D, none of these. On moving down the group, metallic property is increase and non-metallic property is decrease. So answer will be option C. Next question. Which one will have the most metallic? Option A, lithium. B, sodium. C, potassium. And option D, rubidium. Which one will be most metallic? Choose the correct answer. The answer will be option D, rubidium. Because moving down the group, the metallic property is increased. So rubidium will be the most metallic element. Which one will be most metallic? Option A, potassium. B, calcium. C, scandium. And D, titanium. Choose the correct answer. Which one will have the most metallic? The answer will be option A, potassium. Because when move across the period left to right, then the atomic size decrease, so the metallic property decrease. So in the given option, the potassium will have the most metallic property. Next question. Which one will have the most non-metallic characteristic? Option A, silicon. Option B, phosphorus. Option C, sulfur. And option D, chlorine. Choose the correct answer. Which one will have the most non-metallic characteristic? Then the answer will be option D. Then friend, this was a 50 important MCQ. That was a very important MCQ of chemistry related to periodic table. I hope you enjoy the video. If it is helpful, then like and share the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.